Alright guys, welcome to the video. Anthony Special here with Hawkeye Traders. Hope everyone's doing well. In this video we are going to talk about how do we enter a trending market. This is the NASDAQ 100, alright? This is an intraday time frame, 5 minutes to be precise, meaning each candle represents 5 minutes of price action. And what I want to talk about today is, let's say we're in a trending market, alright? And we decide, hey, look, we're trying to get long, but we're trying to find either the pullback, the correction, right? We want to try to buy low here and then have at least the opportunity to partake in some of the move. So I look at this, in a couple different ways. Like I think there's a few different spots here that make a great deal of sense, and the Hawkeye volume makes it actually quite easy, right? So when you get that pullback, right, you're gonna get that candle to print green. Okay, because I think that's super important. Why? Because I want to know, where are the buyers, stepping in. So we can very easily walk our way through this push higher and say, all right, every time the market pulls back, what am I looking for? I'm looking for presence of buyers. Now, I don't care if the candle closes above or below where it opens. That doesn't mean much to me, right? This candle closed lower than it opened. However, there's a presence of buyers here. Well, what does that mean? Well, there's a good chance that we're going to continue to push higher, right? So this candle closes lower than it opens. Market continues higher. All right. This candle, however, did not. That's okay. You can see where we were in a consolidative state. In fact, we were working off of a wide bar with high selling volume. So the safest bet is, where can I get long above this? Well, conveniently, right here, right? A candle at 1050 would say, hey, Mr. and Mrs. Trader, we're above a significant area of selling volume. Perhaps there's a good spot to get long, right? Perhaps here's a good spot to get long. Why? Because who's in control? Well, what do we want to do? We want to trade with who's in control. So normal volume is not going to tell you anything other than the candle opened, where the candle opened, where the candle closed, and the amount of interaction inside that candle itself. So you can see this is just shaded volume here. But if you look below, you can see the Hawkeye volume. And the Hawkeye volume now sits there and tells you, even on these pullbacks, who's in control? Buyers. So what do you want to be? You want to be a buyer, right? So if you're in a trending market situation, the best thing that you can do is trade with the trend, right? Your lowest risk entries are going to be when the market either hesitates, consolidates, or even pulls back. And then the only thing you need to now look for is there a presence of buyers? And Hawkeye software makes that super, super easy, because not only do we print the volume down below, we print the actual volume on the candles themselves, all right? So as these candles print, they are printing in correlation with the Hawkeye volume below. We call that the Hawkeye paint bar, all right? We're also going to give you the Hawkeye wide bar. You're going to get the volume radar dots, and you're going to also get the pivots here. So everything you see on my screen colored, you're going to get. So the next step for you to further understand exactly how this is going to work is to go below this video, click on the training webinar link, grab a sheet of paper, okay? Take some notes, because I'm going to do a deep dive here into understanding the relationship between volume and price action. So once you have that understanding, you can go, all right, the market's trending. If I want to enter the market, I want to enter the market at a low price in an upward move where the buyers are in control. And that happened right here, it happened right here, and it happened right here, okay? Now, obviously, the further along the trend goes, the less likely it will continue to carry on. But with that being said, if the momentum is to the upside, the momentum should stay to the upside until we've reached a reversal pattern, or the presence of sellers have ultimately stepped in and stopped the buyers from pressing any further. But keeping a close eye here on the volume will tell you that. What am I looking for to believe that this market's not going to go any higher? A strong presence of sellers, which I haven't quite seen yet, right? We had one correction. The market turned green again, right? This candle here closed lower than it opened, but it was green, saying, hey guys, the presence here is still in buying control, and we've since pushed through the prior high. Okay, so head below this video, click on that training webinar, consume the content, reach out with any questions. Let's get the indicators up on your trading screen. Let's get you access to the Hawkeye Volume Mastery Series so that you can now, in your own mind, start applying the principles to volume and price action, so you too, like myself, can look at the market on any time frame and go, hey, who's in control and who do I want to trade alongside? I know for myself personally, I'm most interested in trading with the party who's in control. Whether it be buyers or sellers, I don't care. I just want to trade with the majority. And you should want to do the same. All right, guys, I appreciate you. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. God bless. Have a beautiful day. And we look forward at Hawkeye to helping you along your trading journey.